What if I told you that just tilting this tiny sensor can instantly trigger an alarm? No buttons, no touch, just one small movement, and the buzzer goes crazy. Today is day 7 of our 37 Sensors Challenge, and we're building a super cool Arduino project using the tilt sensor. Let's build this project step by step. For this project, we need an Arduino UNO, a tilt sensor module, an active buzzer, a few jumper wires, and a USB cable, a breadboard too. Let's look into connections. Connect the tilt sensor module's VCC pin to 5E, GND to GND, and dual pin to digital pin 2 of the Arduino UNO. Then connect the buzzer's positive pin to digital pin 8 and the negative pin to GND. Once the connections are complete, let's move to the code.
We read the tilt sensor on digital pin 2 and printed state on the serial monitor at 9600 baud. When the output becomes high, Arduino generates a 1.8 kHz tone on pin 8 using tone, otherwise no tone, stops the buzzer instantly.
After writing the code, select the correct COM port and Arduino UNO board, then compile and upload.
Now comes the exciting part. Tilt the sensor once, and the buzzer starts beeping instantly. Return it back, and the sound stops immediately. A simple sensor, a few lines of code, and you've built a basic motion-triggered alarm system.
So subscribe to Circuit EdTech and follow this 37-day Arduino challenge.